Compound interest, often attributed to Albert Einstein as the eighth wonder of the world, possesses a remarkable and almost magical quality. Let's explore why this concept is so powerful. Compound interest occurs when you earn interest not only on your initial investment, the principal, but also on the accumulated interest. The formula for compound interest is A equals P1 plus R squared NT, where A represents the final amount after interest, P is the initial principal, R is the annual interest rate, N is the number of times interest is compounded per year, and T is the number of years the money is invested. Compound interest leads to exponential growth over time. Even small annual interest rates can accumulate significantly when compounded frequently. The more frequent the compounding, the faster your money grows. For example, if you invest $5,000 at an annual interest rate of 3%, compounded monthly, after 5 years, your balance would be approximately $6,416.79. The interest earned keeps adding to the principal, creating a snowball effect. Compound interest impacts savings accounts, investments, loans, and retirement funds. It rewards long-term commitment and patience. Harnessing the magic of compounding can lead to financial success, whether saving for retirement, investing, or paying off debt. Remember, while compound interest is indeed powerful, it's essential to understand both its benefits and risks.